Let me show you an easy way to post on X or Twitter. Depending on your preference, you might want to change the visibility of that post, whether it's everybody can see it and is publicly available to comment and reply, or if you wanted to limit that down to just followers, I'll show you how to do it. Now open up the X app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. And once you're logged in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Make sure that you are logged in. You can see I'm logged into my account. If you don't have an account, just create an account. Now, after you've done that, you can see at the bottom right is that blue plus. I can just tap on that and it says what's happening. This is where I start to make my post. So I can say something like, hi, how's your day? Something like that. Now you can see a couple different things we can customize. One really important is everyone can reply. Now on here, you'll be able to change the privacy, whether everyone can see and reply it, only verified accounts can, accounts that you follow, or only accounts that you mention. If you don't want any comments on your tweets or posts, you can choose only accounts you mention or accounts you follow, but I'm going to keep it at everyone. After you've done that, you can tap on the little camera or gallery icon here if you wanted to add a photo from your phone to be able to boost up that specific post. On here, you can also go live, you can add a GIF, and you can even tap on that little poll icon if you wanted to add a poll question and then have other people respond to that poll. Now, you'll be able to see that little circle with the line through it here, right above the 9, indicates how much space you have left to keep typing new things. And you can always tap on that little plus here to add another subsequent post if you start to run out of space. Now, after you've done all of that, if you're ready, let me just remove this poll. You can just hit post at the top right. Now, you'll be able to see your post by just tapping on your profile and then profile. And there I'll be able to see my post. I can tap on it and I can see anybody who has responded to it, who has liked it, commented, etc.